how to remove favorite books from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK. Let's go back. First, click on your profile here and then click these 3 points. Once you're here, click click edit profile. Scroll all the way down, click interests. Scroll down again and here we'll find it, favorite books. Remove it and click this save icon here. That's it. Save it again, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.